Hello YouTube, this is Michael Provenzano. Today I'm bringing you a video of some debugging. So I just finished up this function here to view the classes. I finished these and also this. And here we just have some structures. So school, student, class, stuff like that. And then right now we're doing so we'll go to calculations. This cannot use student at grades. Type mismatched. Map. So it looks like we're cannot use this as type. It looks like we're passing a map to a parse grades, which yeah, it looks like we're passing a map to this. But we're wait, what? Yeah. So it looks like we're passing a like this function return. It takes in a string, but we're passing in a map. Parse grids, calculate GPA. But wait, hold on. Calculate GPA, parse grids. All right, I think this is the problem, right? Hold on. Oh yeah. So what we actually need to do is just remove this, right? Since they should be all the way in. Let's see. Save that. Come up here. Yeah, that was the problem. So now I'm gonna invalid operation average plus mismatch type floats and int 32. I was thinking about this. So here we're defining a float 32 average, and I think I just need to do float 32. Hold on. Yeah, like float 32. Okay. Okay. So let's see. Here, we'll try that. Okay, yeah, that was definitely it. So now we have invalid argument C type class for length. I think I understand what's going on here. So it says length 33. I remember this. 33, 30. So length of C, right? What we actually want is so we're taking class. Let's see. So it's trying to get the length of just this, which isn't gonna work. What we actually want is the length of the students. So we'll do oh yeah, right here. Tree.students. So now we'll save that. And then first argument to append must be slice when we have a string. Line 58. Oh, down here. So looks like what we're doing is we must be a slice. Oh, so actually what we want to do is, wait, hold on. What are we doing? We're returning a string, so well, instead of append, what we actually want to do is master plus, right? Okay. All right. Well, we're moving. We have a new error here. Invalid operation, length divided by mismatch. Same thing. So here, length. We're trying to do float 32. So what we will do is convert this to a float 32. 32. Okay. Okay. Alright, so now it looks like in main we have inline 1L1 1. Oh! Wait, what? Alright, so what we actually just need to do is we're not returning anything there. Hold on. Yeah, we're not returning anything there, so we can just run this. Okay. Alright, looks like I messed up a switch statement. Okay. Invalid case 1 in switch. Can only compare func until that class 2 nil. So it looks like we have a problem with our switch statement up here. Alright. View classes. That's menus. Hold on. Alright. So can only compare function to no. So view class returns an integer. We'll do. It's just gonna return an int, so what we can do is we'll see if that fixes it. Nope, invalid. How do we let me just search. Switch cases, right? So it's switch. Hold on. I'm trying to like see here. Like, how are they doing it? Switch. There's not. I'm thinking about C++. Did that? No. Invalid case 1 in switch. Can only compare function imp to nil. Hold on. To nil. Like, we are returning an int. Invalid case 1 in switch option. We convert it to an integer. ASCII to integer. Let's just hold on, undefined line 80. Hold on. invalid case 1. I'm copying this, right? I'm using like, so, right, we got the imp. Use view class. Hold on. View class. Right. Invalid case 1 and switch. Oh, is this the problem? Like, does it need to be like move one over? No. Can only compare function imp to nil. Can only compare function input to nil. You know what? We probably should have just used like is that, did I even use that right? Do I need to put parameters? Yeah. That's the problem. Parameters. I made a basic mistake. I think that's the problem. Yeah, that was the problem. I forgot the parameters. Okay, cannot range over C. Type, yep, we would definitely have this problem, so we can go cannot C dot students. It's over here. I'll go to structs. Get rid of that. Students. And then we're gonna have the same problem over here. Yep. And then undefined calculate class average. Line 80. Line 80. We need to put US there since we're doing US and then importing that module or whatever. Let me save that. Okay. So I added some basic user down here, like a class. But we'll try. What was it? Password view class. Spelled view wrong. We'll view students. Okay. Okay. I think it just exited. So let's get rid of this. Right. The password is password. We want to view the class, view students, and it's just exiting. Let's do fmt.print line new. Viewing students. Do you view students? We're not even We're getting here, but then we're not doing anything here. We're not even printing this. Can we just, I mean, in the example, here, we'll do, okay, we're not even, maybe it is running, but it's not doing anything. Well, let's actually remove the login because it's just annoying right now. Okay, so what we want to do is view students. Okay, it's not, let's try that. Let's try, hold on. Wait, hold on. What? Wait, hold on. Oh, there's a bug up here, so what? View, it'd be in menus, right? View class, menu. Right, view class menu. View class menu. And then let's see. Right, view class menu. Oh, we never saved it. Utility view class. Right, because we just want to go up there and okay. Not enough arguments in view class. View class. MS. Pass it. MS. Hold on. Can I use? Oh, what are we doing? So we're trying to view the class. Shit. Okay, I'm back. I just had to plug my computer in. So let's look at this again. What are we actually doing? If we pick option 2, which we just did, then we want to run view class. We want to pass it ms, right? So we passed it. We want to pass it a class. So ms dot classes, right? Because we have classes here, so we want to pass it classes because that's what it's taking in. And then from there, what we want to get the input from here. You're gonna return an int, so we'll try that. Okay. Cannot use ms.classes utility in argument to view classes. Cannot use ms.classes. Maybe I spelled classes wrong. ms dot classes. The school we're passing. Hold on, classes, right? But it takes an. It's just an array of. It's just a slice of class, right? So what was there again? Line 107 here. View class takes in an input of classes. No. Okay. It takes in one class, view class. Oh. What we need to do from here is select the class we want to use, right? Okay, I think I get it. So from here, option 2, from option 2, we're picking, we want to view class, but we need to pick the class we want to view, and then we can do that. So we need so here we need to pick a class view. Okay, so here we'll make a function to do that real quick. So func class, and what we're gonna do is take in school, so us dot school, and we're gonna return a us dot class. First thing we need to do is for teacher equals string, and then what we need to do is let's fmt dot print line print enter teacher name, right? And then we'll do fmt dot scan line new ampersand teacher, right? And then what we want to do is essentially enumerate over each one. So what we'll do, school structs split view. Okay, we don't need this open. Whoa, save that. So what we're gonna need to do is enumerate over the school. So for nothing, comma, class equal range s dot classes. We're enumerating for the we're entering the school, and then we're going to enumerate over the classes in the school. If teacher equals class dot teacher, then return class, right? Just return class. And here, right? And if it's not, then we'll just do fmt dot print 9 teacher not real. Okay. Yeah. So here, pick class. Okay. So we need to pick. We pick the class view. So that's going to return the class. So view class takes in a class bit here. MS. Right, so we're gonna pick the class, we're gonna pass in the MS, right? Pass in the school, and we're gonna return the class. And then view class takes in a class, so we'll save this and see. Return at the end of function, line 99. Alright, we'll just we'll handle that later. Let's panic. Can we just do that? Or os.exit if it's not real. Will that work? Like, okay. Go return error, like, right, we'll just return an error. How do we, okay, so we need to import errors, and then we'll do return error dot new. Teachers don't exist. Will that work? Errors. S. We're having more problems here. All right, we'll just return. Well, let's we'll just do default class equals the first instance. Right, we'll also print fmt print line new persist so here's the first one, right? Okay, let's remove errors because it's, I don't know. Okay, so we'll view class. So the default one we entered in was Michael. All right, we'll view students. Yes. Hold on. All right, so it did work. However, here, we don't need this. Let's put this in a while loop. Split view. Yeah, we'll do it later. Let's run. Want to view the students. Teacher. Michael. View class average. Class average is 0.1. That shouldn't be. All right, let's we just did add class. Let's add a class. Teacher. Cool. Yes. Last name. A. Cool. A. A. Yes. A. B. No. Okay. We definitely need to add a loop there. So we can. Well, hold on. Let's what was 4 again? It was like split view. 4 was GPA int. Hold on. Because it did, so we put view class average. View class average. We just print that, and then G is us.calculate class average. We pass it C. That's probably the problem. Hold on. Split view. We pass it us.class. Yeah. Average divided by the length. So hold on, let's do some Python real quick. Python 3. The average is 4 divided by 1. Calculate GPA. We're returning an int. There is definitely a problem with this. 0. Okay, but we're G, so int calculate GPA passing class takes in a class. What the other ones do? They take in. Why did we return a float? Okay, so what we're doing, we're going over the students, we're calculating the GPA. Calculate GPA, that student. This worked. I'm pretty sure this worked. Calculate GPA, takes in a string, returns an int. So this being int, but we're converting it to float 32, so we can add it to float 32. Let's debugging. Calculate class average. Let's print this out. Okay. View class. When a view class, Michael, view class average. Class 0. So let's see. Okay. Well, what do we? So it looks like this function here is faulty because it's definitely like a. Right. So. Oh. Okay, so this function here up here is it's students. I think they're all faulty. Oh, no. Because this one worked, right? Teacher, up here we did, function 1 worked, 3 did not. Okay. So there's something wrong with it. Let's see. What are we actually doing here? We're taking grades, which is a map, and returning an int. So this is the key, grade key. We're iterating over grades. Grades is just an array, so yeah, it's just string. Or so something interesting. You can actually, if you do x, y, so yeah, we do want to increment over this. It looks like we are doing that. So grade, probably just do, we don't need that. So x grade key, right? Because it's gonna look for this a in the key. So 4 equals that. Let's see. Main. Oh, yeah, we didn't even use it. We didn't even use FMT. Let's just comment it out. So we want to view the class. View class average. 2. Class. So A, B, B. So let's see. There's only one student, so there's only one average. So let's see. 4 plus 3, 7 plus, that's 11 divided by 3. Wait, what? Wait, hold on. We're dividing it by 5. So what we really should be doing is dividing by the length of the class. Divided by the length of grades. Length of grades. Oh, grade. Okay, so let's see. It was 11 divided by 3. That's like 3 point something. So 2 Michael, class average. Yep, 3. Exactly. This is exactly what we want. Now all we need to do is just loop through here. Alright, we got this working. We can remove this. Okay, if login, main menu. We'll just put an if statement here, right? We are doing that, right? Well, true. Well, we're doing if true. Then we'll do for forever. Now we'll just break. Is there a break statement in this, or let's see. Password. Let's view the class. Teacher MICJL. View the class average. All right, here. View class, and we're back at the main menu. So what we'll do is we'll add a class. Teacher. Cool. Add a student. Yes. We'll add myself. Michael P. Okay, what are our grades? Math. I usually got like a D in that, or maybe like a C. Chem. I got an A. Reading. Like a. I don't know. Like a D. And then we'll do, yeah. Alright, student added. So yes, we do want to add another one. Let's do John H. Math is A. Comp B and PE A. All right, now let's view the class. Cool. Okay, now let's view what's the class average. 2.5. 2.5. Is that actually right? It should be right? 2.5. Oh, that's low. Not looking good. View students. I never tried the view students function, so we'll do the view student. So view class, teacher, cool, view student. All right, so student name. Oh yeah. Wait, what? Hold on. MP. We're just returning view grades. I should put a new line there. Right, just make this look better, right? Because it did work. And then for view grades, Jesus. School struct. For view grades, all we're doing is just what are we doing? It's kind of working. Not really. Let's see. So for me, we did A, B, D. Yep, it did do that, but it didn't print the it didn't print the well, we just passed it in. Student name, student dot grade. So I think we did something wrong, but that's a really simple fix. That's a simple fix, right? All we need to do is just append the key and the value and search the value or whatever. So yeah, that looks pretty good. So bye.